Mr. X had one goal: no more surprise fish deaths. After building a self-sustaining aquarium in episode 1, he asked the super AI a new question. Can you stop fish from getting sick before it even happens? The AI said yes, and it began building a system that would do exactly that. First, it installed a network of sensors. One camera tracked every fish, every movement, every twitch. If a fish slowed down or tilted slightly, the AI noticed. Next, it tested the water. Every 60 seconds, ammonia, nitrates, pH, temperature, oxygen, all scanned in real time. No test kits, no strips, no waiting. The AI even analyzed how light moved through the water, could detect the tiniest chemical changes before you'd ever see a problem. Then, it connected the dots. The AI had been trained on millions of fish illness records, photos, case studies, veterinary data. It knew what early illness looked like before the symptoms appeared. One morning, it sent a quiet alert. Fluke's 88% probability. No visible signs, no flashing, no gasping, just ... data. The AI made its move. It raised the temperature by 1 degree. It released a small dose of a gentle antiparasitic safe for fish and plants. It boosted oxygen flow to reduce stress. And it scheduled another scan for 3 a.m. By sunrise, the tank was calm. The fish were active. No signs of illness. No treatment needed. No fish lost. The disease never happened, because the AI stopped it before it could begin. This isn't a fantasy. Some of the tools already exist. Automatic testers, smart cameras, dosing pumps. But what Mr. X has is different. It's not just gear. It's a complete system. It doesn't react, it predicts. It doesn't treat, it prevents. Would you trust a machine to protect your fish? Because this AI just did? Want to protect your tank like Mr. X? Download the free early warning fish health checklist below. You'll learn how to spot illness early and stop it before it starts. And make sure to subscribe. Because in episode 3, the super AI takes on its biggest challenge yet: perfect automated fish breeding. The future of aquariums is just getting started.